Something very special is happening in this episode, and it's just for us. He is a special visitor. He's family, and we miss him very much. He's in the air right now, and will be here any minute.
So look who's here. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
For those of you that don't know, this is Kurt. And Berkly. Okay, just got out of the movies with someone very special. We went and saw, what was the name of that? So look who's here. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
For those of you that don't know, this is Kurt. And Berkly. Okay, just got out of the movies with someone very special. We went and saw, what was the name of that?
Hail Mary.
Hail Mary. Oh my God, was that good. It was just wonderful. I had a good time. I even cried. Kurt
Very
didn't.
good.
He's more of a man than me. But we had a great time. So we're headed back home. I think we're going to cook up some tikka masala. So Shelly will have some, and we got to feed two favorite pooches right now too. Very cool. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
It didn't last nearly long enough.
So Kurt's gone. Oh, so sad. Had so much fun with him. Grizz and I are out on our morning walk, and last night, as if to say goodbye, Arizona had a nice soaking. At least we did here. You can see the skies behind me. It's kind of clearing up a little bit. But it was great. I mean, we had such a good time at the movies. We had so much fun walking his and Katie's dog, Berkly. Grizz actually got to get along really pretty well. We were surprised and we were happy. So we're going to spend the rest of this week trying to organize things for me to do my pet project with the generator and get that fan hooked up. And it's going to be a process. I'm going to have to cut out some metal underneath the doghouse, get everything squared away so that we can get the project completed. Now, it should really help out, and I'm hoping so for the hot months that we're here, because it seems like these parks, no matter where we are, lose power for several hours, and in 115, 20 degree heat, being without that power for a short period of time, it takes all day to cool the RV back down again. So we're going to try to be proactive and get it fixed, and maybe at some point I'll add a larger fuel tank to it if I can get that compartment to cool down more. It just gets hotter than you can believe in there. So we'll see. Lots of different projects, lots of work, always something to do. But hey, you know what? I'm feeling better now, so I should be able to get it done. Talk to you in a little bit. Hey, oh yeah, something that I forgot to tell you about. Paul came over last night and picked me up, and we headed over to the lodge to have Taco Tuesday. And it was awesome. A couple more friends from over at Monte Vista showed up as well, and we just had a blast. Rick and his wife and Paul and I, and Had some wonderful tacos, some nice spicy salsa, and enjoyed a meal there. It was pretty nice. And when we got back to the RV, I just crashed. So, another good time. Traveling can be fun.
I think that Grizz misses his old friend Berkly. The heat is building and folks are leaving. Insiders. It's so very nice to see you all here every week.
Man, Arizona. Yesterday we were bucking 106 degrees and now it's 60 degrees. My body doesn't know what to do. One of the things that we did a few videos back was talk about lubing your RV. It's not a hard process, and we went over what we do for our Grand Design Momentum. And we've got the wet links, so it was fairly easy to do. Just squirreling around underneath the thing. It's a pain in the butt. And then I ventured into working on our 4x4, our F450. It's a 2019 and a beautiful truck. Now, there are several kind of hidden Zerk fittings for squeezing grease into certain joints. Thought I had gotten most, then I had to go back into YouTube and find that I'd actually missed a few of them. So I went back, found a couple of U-joints on the short shafts. That's the axles that are a short one, and there's a little bit longer one that are on the front end that go into the front differential. And when I looked at them, it looked like, well, this is going to be a pain. So the Zerk is sitting on the X on the U-joint right in that spot. So it's kind of a pain to get to and to get the nozzle of the grease gun in. And I, thinking that it was a solid unit and with the transmission and park it wouldn't turn, I'd get into the truck and I'd put it into four-wheel drive and I'd pull it down into drive, and then I'd rotate forward by just driving a few inches forward, put it in park, get out and go look underneath until I got that Zerk lined up at the right place. And then I'd crawl underneath, shut everything off, lock it up, crawl underneath, do the lubing, and then come back. Well, I did that for both those U-joints, one on each side. And I was real proud of myself because I thought, hey, I got this done. What a pill. And I'd commented about it in the video. And one of our friends, a subscriber who's been a long-time subscriber for us, and he's always a wonderful commenter. He keeps me honest 99% of the time. He'll do it in a very polite way too. It's pretty neat. He texted me right after that in the comments section directly below the video. If you get a chance, go back and look at it. It's pretty funny. And he said, you know, all you got to do is just leave it in too high, put it in park, and then get out and reach underneath and grab that universal joint and turn it. And it'll rotate just fine. And I thought, how can that be? So I kind of asked him about it in the comments, and I said, well, I'm going to go out and check. I should never doubt him. I went outside, I reached underneath, grabbed it, and sure enough, it turned real easy. So now I know what I'm going to do the next time I have to do any greasing, the lubing on the front of this 450. It's going to be a whole lot easier. So Kona 6451, thank you so very much for the wonderful comments and being a part of this amazing community that's always here with a suggestion and a help to straighten us out and make things in our lives a lot easier. Thank you all so very much. We appreciate you. I learn something new every day.
Please travel safe.